Hi, my name is Daniel Schrader, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade Debian 9 Stretch to Debian 10 Buster. It's advisable that you make a backup before attempting this upgrade in case anything goes wrong during the process. You can recover quickly and easily. I have both a file system and an image level backup done on my server, so I have something to restore from in case this migration doesn't go well. The first thing I'm going to show you is that I am on Debian 9 Stretch. Debian 9.9, and let's look at the pretty name. Okay, so I am in fact on Debian 9 Stretch. The next thing to do is to list any third-party packages that may not be upgraded from the Debian repositories, software repositories. So as you can see, I have quite a few third-party packages on here, so it's just something that I need to keep in mind. It's possible they may not be upgraded, and I'll have to deal with them in a different way. The next thing to do is to process actions pending in the aptitude package manager. Now I don't use aptitude, but it's good to check to make sure that there's nothing pending in this package manager before the upgrade, and went off the screen kind of quick. As you can see, no packages are scheduled to be installed, removed, or upgraded, so this isn't something that I'm going to have to worry about. Okay, next we need to ensure that all currently installed software packages have been fully installed. And they have, so we don't have any pending software packages that haven't been installed. And the next thing to do is to remove any hold states on software packages before upgrading. So we're going to check aptitude first. Nothing on hold and aptitude. Nothing on hold in apt, or the apt package manager. If you do need to remove the hold state on software packages, this is a command you can use to do that. So this command, obviously without the comment in front of it, should be able to remove the hold state on any of your packages and bring them into the install state so that you can move on with your upgrade. Okay, so next I need to configure apt with the Debian 10 software repositories. So to do that I need to edit the sources.list file under etc apt. And what I'm going to do is replace the name stretch, or the code name stretch, with buster. Save changes to the file. Okay, next I'm going to record a transcript of my shell session, and this is going to capture all of the inputs and outputs, so all of the commands that I type on the command line as well as their output. And this is useful for review later in case there's an error during the migration process or something goes wrong. I can easily review this log file and see exactly what it was that was the problem, at least if there's an error message that's helpful. So we do that by using the script command, and the timing information gets written to standard out, so we redirect that to a file. I'm going to put that in root's home directory, and then we're going to append all of the output to a different file, and also under root's home directory. Okay, so get that started. Okay, the next thing to do is to fetch a list of available packages for Debian 10 Buster now that the server is pointing to the Debian 10 Buster software repositories, and we're going to use the apt command to do that. So Debian has switched over from apt-get to just apt, which apparently is the command or the package manager that they were always wanting to use, but now apt is kind of the standard front end that they always wanted apt-get to be. So anyway, so do apt upgrade, and that yellow is very bright. It's a little hard to see that, but it should be fetching Okay, very good. So 774 packages can be upgraded, and I can run this command to see what they are. I don't really have a need to do that, as I'm going to see what they are when I do the upgrade. So the next thing to do is to verify that we have enough disk space for the upgrade. Okay, so apt needs to get 484 megabytes of archives. After this operation, 904 megabytes of additional disk space will be used, and there's no error about not having enough disk space under /var, so I should be fine, and I can verify that too. Okay, 3.1 gigabytes of available disk space on var, so I'm definitely good there. If you do need to recover some disk space for the upgrade, you can use apt-autoremove to remove obsolete packages. You can use apt-clean to remove any downloaded packages that weren't installed, or basically any packages that were downloading kept cached on the file system. Okay, so the next thing to do is to perform the actual upgrade itself. Now, I'm going to perform a minimal system upgrade first, and what this does is it only upgrades packages that do not require any other packages to be removed or installed. So no other packages need to be removed or installed in order to upgrade these packages. This is a minimal upgrade. apt upgrade. Okay, I need to get 410 megabytes of archives. After this operation, 845 megabytes of additional disk space will be used. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, the next thing to do is to upgrade the kernel. So we finished our minimal upgrade to Debian 10 Buster, and in order to upgrade the kernel, I'm going to verify the CPU architecture of my server right now. So if I do uname-r, I'll see that it's AMD64. So I'll use apt to install the kernel image for AMD64. Okay, so Linux image AMD64 is already the newest version. Okay, so it looks like the latest kernel installed with the minimal install of Debian, so that's good. So next I'm going to gracefully reboot the server to load the new kernel. Okay, so the next thing to do is to check the kernel ring buffer for errors, see if we got any errors at boot time. And it looks like we did, but a lot of these unfortunately are hardware errors that are normal. And let's do uname-r, make sure we're on the latest kernel, and we are, so 4.19 is the newest kernel for at least for Debian 10 Buster. Okay, verify that our file system is mounted correctly, and it looks like they did. So that is looking good. And I'm going to go ahead and start the transcript again for the full upgrade to Buster. And we're going to upgrade all remaining packages on the system using apt full upgrade. Okay, now that our full upgrade is finished, let's remove obsolete packages using apt autoremove. Okay, looks like we have several obsoleted packages. I'm going to remove those. Okay, and now purged removed packages, which deletes all of the config files that the packages may have left behind, the obsoleted ones that we deleted. Okay, now if we cat our Debian version file, we'll see that we are on Debian 10,